Good morning guys. Today in this video we'll see how you can increase the cell size in Excel sheet. See here, manually you can increase, but this is very long process and it is not feasible for every time. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this entire data and I'll paste it on the new sheet and I'll tell you with the example. Just I'm copying this data, and in the fresh sheet what I'll do is I'll copy this so that I'll get some issues with the cell size, so that within one click I'll just show you how you can set the column size or the row size. Both cell sizes I'll show you. See here, if you observe here, the department is out of the cell area and the month and year also out of the cell area. I can manually increase, but this is not the correct way to do this. What you can do now, select the entire data where you want to set the cell size. So under home you will find an option called format. You need to click on this drop down, and here you need to click on column width. See here, I'll make it to 14. Now each and every column size has been increased to 14. See, now it is looking pretty good. This is one way you can do this, and another way is when you don't want the entire sheet to be set the same size and you need to select few of the cells where you want, means not the entire data. In this case you can set the column width to some other size, and this is on the second thing. And the third thing is this will be useful for few people. So I'll click on Ctrl Z. The third option is you can select the entire data here, and other than column width there is an option called auto fit column width. What this option does means, according to the content or the data of the sheet, it takes the adjustment. Mean it is automatic adjustment with respect to the data included in this particular cell. Not only the width of the column, but we can also increase the height of the row also. Select the rows where you want to increase the row height. Click on the row height option, and here if I make it to 30, this will be increased to 30. Observe these cells as size has been increased. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.